Welcome back, Dingo Pack. I am going to be doing a DIY ferret toy. So today we will be making like a little digging box for a ferret. So what you will need is just an old box and then anything like I'm using like uncooked mac and cheese, I guess, and I'm pretty sure Tuck will like it, so let's go. Okay, so the first step is just take your box and empty whatever is in it. So actually there's like just some like food in it. Yeah, I'm gonna actually record. There's like food and it's like not pretty at all. But what you're gonna do is take every like little thing out and then yeah. So it's cool. Okay, so once you get like everything out of your box, I'm actually gonna duct tape this down so like in case it like comes up, the mac and cheese won't like spill out. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so now I have done that. I am going to take all this like excess tape off from when I opened it, and me being extra, I'm actually gonna try to paint a cute design on this old chewy box. So it will probably end up looking bad, but hey, I gotta try. So you guys will see the finished project. Okay, so I finished painting it, and I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, you should have done more layers. I don't have the patience for that, yeah, but I don't think it turned out too bad. I mean, it did, but for me, it didn't. I know, like, that looks so bad. Yeah, so it's just like yellow, pink sky with clouds. And in here is this with like stars and stuff, and then I didn't paint here because that's where the mac and cheese is gonna be. So yeah, so for your dig box, I am using like uncooked mac and cheese things. And when your ferret, or however many ferrets is playing in here, you need to watch them because I didn't use like safe paint. It's non-toxic, but still. I need to supervise her when she does it because she can't eat the paint, or ferrets can't have this. So yeah, let's just start dumping them in. Okay, so right now I only have one box and I don't think this is really enough, so me and my mom are probably gonna go to the store and get some more. Okay, I'm currently in like a different outfit and stuff. It's actually the next day since we weren't able to get the mac and cheese yesterday, but we just got them today. So yeah. Cheese right here. Don't worry, I think we're trying to mix sand out of this. I don't know if that's gross, but there you go. I think she's really gonna like this. I'm actually super excited. So let's get her. She should be out right now. It's currently like 6 o'clock or 7. So come here, baby girl. What the exit? Are you ready, sweetie? Boom! She is sniffing to see what it is first. Do you like it? She's a little. Oh, she's digging! Oh, she's a little confused. She never really saw any of this stuff before. She is already digging. I think it was great. Okay guys, so this DIY was probably the best thing I've ever made for her, and I definitely recommend this for your ferrets if they don't really have anything to do. And it's super easy. Technically all you need is like a box and some hard mac and cheese. The mac and cheese was like 55 cents, and then the box was like just old sitting around. And yeah, so you need like about 4 to 6 boxes, I would say, maybe 7. And yeah, she really likes it, and she's gonna go play right now. And remember, if you do make this for your ferret, please supervise them. You don't want them to like eat the paint on the box or the mac and cheese. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next week. Goodbye.